What's going on, everybody? My name is Zach. If it's your first time dropping in, if you've been here before, welcome back. So, in this video, I want to kind of highlight what my strategy, what my plan is with Cardano. So, before we get into it, I want to give you guys kind of the backstory a little bit, give you guys some of the mistakes that I think I've made on my Cardano journey. But we're here now. We're still in a good spot. We did dollar cost average down, but I'll give you guys the lowdown first, and then we'll kind of get into what my plans are for these next 12 to 15 months. So I'm recording this video on May 7th, 2024, just so you guys are aware, because I think you're going to see this video months from now, maybe even a year from now, and we can come back and kind of see and revisit how we did. So I started accumulating Cardano back in early 2021. Okay. It was one of the first cryptos I started buying. And I fell in love with the Ethereum competitor because of Charles Hoskinson, because of the idea that Cardano is less of a market cap than Ethereum, right? And I still am very, very bullish on Cardano. Now, back then, I kind of over leveraged myself a little bit, and I wish I would have taken profits and just bought Cardano back at 25 cents. We had ample opportunities to buy Cardano at 25 cents in this most recent bear market. I didn't do that. I held throughout the top. I think my average cost last bull cycle was around 60 cents, and we went to $3+ per Cardano. I could have taken my profits and bought back at 25 cents. I didn't do that. I held and held and held and held and held. And now I own over 100,000 ADA because I've lowered my average cost down to about 40-ish cents now. So we're sitting in the green with Cardano now because we're at 45 cents right now. And I'll take you inside this chart a little bit and give you guys the breakdown. So there's a reason why I have this price target in here at $10.43. Okay. That would put Cardano at $10.43. It's an upside of about 22x. Do I think could it actually get here? I do. Am I going to wait in order for it to get here to sell all of my Cardano? No, I'm not going to make that mistake again. So what I've done for this crypto bull run, guys, I've devised a plan for every crypto asset that I'm getting into, an exit strategy, a take profit strategy that is also coupled with a buy the dip strategy if certain levels are met. So I'm doing that with every blue chip asset that I own. And when it comes to Cardano, there's a reason why I have 1043 in here, because I currently own roughly 100,000 Cardano, which is currently worth around $45,000. Now, my portfolio in Cardano could potentially be worth 1 million if and when Cardano hits $10.42. And I hope it gets there. But my first exit strategy for Cardano is when we set new all-time highs. When we just surpass previous all-time highs, I'm going to be liquidating about 20% of my Cardano holdings. Now, there's a reason why I'm doing that. It's because I've learned from my past failures, guys. And if you don't have a plan in this crypto bull run, you simply will look back and say, man, I could have gotten so much more out of that. But instead, I round trip my bags, and here I am holding for another cycle. There are no guarantees in crypto. And this is not a knock on Cardano. This is simply me having a plan and sticking to it. I've got another threshold at $5 where I'll take an additional percentage of my Cardano out. Another threshold at $7. And then finally, another threshold at $10. So I've already outlined my plan. Now I just have to stick to it. And I can still make a ton of money. And here's the thing, I could be wrong. Maybe I should hold this thing till it goes to $20. I don't know, right? But all I know is this, I have a plan now in place. I'm going to stick to that plan and make sure that I benefit from my decision to invest in Cardano back in early 2021. If we take a look at the price right now on the weekly, our last momentum up on the weekly candles, guys, was way back here at 38 cents back in October. We actually went all the way up about over 100% from October 23rd to March 2024. We got up to about 81 cents here. We're on the back downtrend a little bit here again. But all in all, when we zoom out here, Cardano is gaining some momentum here, but still not even close because we're not in that full retail bull market just yet. At the peak, Cardano reached around $3.08. I think a $5 to $7 price target is where I want to take the most profits. And that is my plan. You could agree with that. You could disagree with that. But I'm going to be happy with those results. And it's not to say I'm going to be done forever with Cardano when I exit. I'll simply look at it again in the bear market like I could have this previous one. And we can buy back in and build a stronger position in the bear market based on what's happening with the coin, what's going on with the blockchain, growth that you saw within the last bull market, regulation, macro factors, all of these sort of things. You're going to have time to buy it back if you so choose in a bull market. So again, these are mistakes that I made. I should have taken profits and could have had even a bigger Cardano position at a much cheaper price. But instead, I round tripped my bags from 2021 and had to dollar cost average my way down. Well, this go around, I'm doing things differently. And it's not just with Cardano. The only crypto that I don't have an exit strategy for in these next 12 to 18 months is Bitcoin. That's literally the only crypto, guys, that I plan on not selling at all and round tripping my bags, if you will, because I've been buying since April 2022. And I look at Bitcoin as the safest asset because let's just call it what it is. Right now in crypto, the only thing you can almost guarantee will be here in the next 10 years is Bitcoin. Let's just be real. And that's just my opinion. You could agree to disagree. But I'm just saying, worst case scenario, Bitcoin's still here. I'm positioning myself accordingly. In case the worst case scenario were to happen and altcoins go to hell in a handbasket. But every other altcoin, these next 12 to 15 to 18 months, I've devised a plan to benefit big. An exit strategy, though, is already in place. Whether I'm trading it in the short term, using leverage over on Margex maybe, or opening up a small position, I've got a plan. It's the biggest mistake I made. I didn't have a plan with Cardano back then. I didn't know what I was doing. I was just entering this space. I was brand new. And those are the mistakes that you have to make, but you have to learn from it, come out of it on the other side. And this go around, I'm ready. I'm ready. And that is my Cardano exit strategy. I hold 100,000 ADA, guys. I still think there's the opportunity to make a ton of money with Cardano in this bull cycle. Let me know what you think of all of this down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video if you like it and subscribe down below. Hopefully this video finds you well and it gives you some good insight into my plan as somebody who holds 100,000 ADA. Appreciate you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much. Let me know how you feel about Cardano down below in the comments. We'll see you.